Today, we'll solve this problem. A square lamina of 40 sides rests on one of its edges on HP. The lamina makes 30° to HP, and the side on which it rests makes 45° to VP. Draw its projections. This is similar to the previous triangular lamina. Only change is the shape. It is a four-sided lamina. Instead of three-sided lamina, it's a four-sided lamina. So it's a square lamina. And previous lamina was also resting on one of its edges on HP. Here also it is resting on one of its edges on HP. We know that whenever a lamina rests on one of its edges on HP, we should start with the top view resting on one of its edges, means that edge AB should come to your left side. Okay, that's the first thing you should know, make a note of it. Then lamina makes 30° to HP. 30° to HP is the HP. When you project it, appears on the VP. So on VP, we have to draw the 30° front view. 30° front view. With the help of the 30° front view, we will get the true shape. By projecting, we will get the top view. Sorry, we will get the second top view, apparent top view. Then side on which it rests makes a 45° to VP. See, this is the AB is the side on which it rests. This AB should make an angle of 45° to VP. VP means it appears on HP. So below the XY line, you have to draw the 45° line. On that 45° line, you have to copy and move this second top view in such a way that edge AB, edge AB rests on the 45° line. This is how we can complete it. Let me do it for you now. I'll delete it and do it for you again. I'll just delete it and do it again. So we have to construct a square lamina 40 resting on one of its edges. For that, go to rectangle command. It's asking you the width. Key in the value of 40 in the keyboard and press enter key in the keyboard. Height is also 40, enter 40 in the keyboard and press enter key in the keyboard. Angle is 0° because resting on the edge means angle is 0°. So this is the first position of the lamina. Go to smart dimension, show the dimension of this. This is A. And this is B. Now project it, draw the vertical line, projection line from the top view to get the front view. The front view of the lamina is a straight line, as we know, because it doesn't have the height, we see only a line. The front view should be a dark, so draw a line from this end to this end by dark line. So I'm changing the line width to 0.5 and draw the dark line. Now complete the naming. This is A, B, this is C, this is D. Here, when you look from here, we have to look from here, okay? We have to look the lamina from this direction. When you look the lamina from this direction, we see only B and C, a line BC, but behind B there's A, behind C there's D, which is not visible. So while naming, we have to take this precaution. Name B dash and then within the bracket A dash, because it's not visible. Similarly here, C dash is visible and then write D dash within the bracket. Next, go to select tool. Select the front view, go to move command, switch on the copy, then move from this endpoint of the front view, B dash, A dash, keep it on the XY line here. Come out and right click. Now again go to rotate command, copy off, so blue color means copy is off. Move to the endpoint of this line. This is the center of rotation of the line, and this is the point rotate from, rotate it. What is the angle? 30° to HP. So type 30 position angle. Is asking you the rotation angle 30°. Position both are 30 degree. Enter 2 times. Done. Go to angle between. Measure this 30 degree. Okay. Now go to line command. Change it to 0.13. Any projection line should be thin line. For thin line, we select 0.13. Go to slide on this front view, reach the end point of the front view. Moment you get the end point symbol, left click and draw the vertical up to C. Here, vertical up to A. No, vertical is not vertical. So draw the vertical from here. Draw the horizontal from here. Then trim off the extra line. Trim off the extra line. Then select this line and this line. On this line, okay. I'll draw one more line now. Go to line command 0.5. You have to draw a line from this point to this point. Dark line, dark line. This is dark line, and this is also a dark line. Then this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. This is the top view, apparent top view. Now we'll go to the third portion. What is the third condition? One of the edge on which it rests makes 45 degree to VP. That's the third condition. What is the third condition? Right here. One of the edge on which it rests makes 45 degree to VP. Okay. Now go to line command. 45 degree to VP means it appears on HP. When you project it, it appears on the other plane, that is NHP. Draw a line. This is the any point. Draw length. It asks you the length in the here. Press tab key. It asks you the angle. Angle I have to type minus 45 degree. Enter key. Now angle is fixed. Length is flexible. Draw the length whatever you want. Next. Go to select tool. Select it. Select the second top view. This one. Then move. Switch on the copy. Move from A. Keep it on A, come out and right click. Then again rotate. This is A is the starting point, B is the point to rotate from. Now name it. Vertical from A, horizontal from A, meet here. So this should be A dash. This should be B dash. This should be C dash. This should be D dash. Let me move this D from here and I'll keep it here. This is B dash. Now go to line command, take a 0.5 mm, draw, connect A dash to B dash by a dark line, B dash to C dash, C dash to D dash, D dash to A dash. You have to maintain this sequence so that we will get the final end view. We will not be knowing the apparent shape, what shape it will get. So maintain the sequence A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, you will get some shape. This is the end of the problem.